I think the major takeaway is, or the key message really, is that we need to recognise as researchers that teachers negotiating high accountability contexts, policy contexts, often have quite constrained conceptions of reading and writing. They almost have received understandings of reading and writing that are schooled, shaped by the assessment criteria, for example, in their particular country. And as a consequence of that conceptualization of reading and writing, which is often very narrow, those schooled conceptions predominate, and the lived experience, the real experience of being a reader and a writer, they're often overlooked. And a sense of identity is also pushed to one side. You come to school to do reading and writing, but at home, I'm a real reader in life. I read everything that I need to read, and sometimes I relax and read a book I want to, and sometimes I write and pen a lyric for a song I'm trying to scope. So the reality of the kind of home and school writing becomes very different. Now, when teachers develop an increased awareness of their own literate identities, and they hold a mirror up to their own identities as readers and writers, both in the past and in the present, they become more aware of how they're influenced by text and context, and how those texts and contexts are typified by difference, diversity, and agency. And so once the teacher begins to register this understanding, as it were, they're beginning to take a broader view of what counts as reading and writing in their classrooms. They come to review reading and writing and then reshape their classroom practice in a way that's more authentic, more real, more relevant, and certainly more engaging for the young people they work with.